Hi everyone, this is your Friday morning weather update, which means it is time for the weekend. And a busy start to the weekend it is, at least weather-wise. We have a strong storm approaching the west coast, so we have heavy rain in Northern California and also into Southern Oregon. And some of that moisture moves south as the weekend goes on, so there may be some parts of Southern California that see some rain this weekend as well. But not today. Let's start off with the forecast in Los Angeles, and we are starting off with a rather gloomy start. We got clouds, we got some fog, and I think the clouds will have kind of the upper hand as we go through the day. Still, we'll climb to about 70 degrees this afternoon, falling back into the 60s with mostly cloudy skies heading into this evening. In San Diego, 54 degrees this morning, ending up at 67 this afternoon, and then we'll fall back through the 60s, but not so quickly as maybe the last couple of evenings because of those clouds. The clouds sort of act as a blanket and trap in some of that heat that accumulated during the day. But look at the weather map. We got that strong area of low pressure pushing onshore. We got heavy rain, especially in Northern California and Southern Oregon. As this front continues to push inland, that will spread some of that rain south toward Los Angeles this weekend. We also have some snow that's falling across the northern Rockies yet again. That snow will be heavy at times today and probably going to see some travel restrictions through some of those mountain passes. And then we have snow that will be falling from the Midwest out through southern Michigan and southern Wisconsin, and then over to the East Coast by tonight and tomorrow. There's a bit of an icy mix in between. We have heavy rain in the south, especially in South Florida. Lots of weather across the country. But back here in the west, 79 today in Las Vegas, 84 in Phoenix. We got upper 60s San Diego, 70 in Los Angeles, and some showers pushing into Sacramento as we fall shy of 70 degrees. Mainly 60s for Oceanside and Santa Barbara. And it's still pretty warm for now, at least in Palm Springs and Brawley, but we will see that cool down for the entire west that I've been talking about as the weekend goes on. That cold front certainly a sign of change to come. So over the weekend, it is going to be cooler. There is some of that shower activity that works toward Los Angeles the second half of the weekend, and we will stay cooler than normal in the 60s. It should be up near 70, but we'll be in the 60s the way it looks for most of next week. All right, that is your Friday morning weather update, which means it is now time for the weekend. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you back here on Monday morning.